Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and hope you're all doing good. So today's recipe is a cheesy one. We all love cheese, don't we? And cheese toast is something that we can enjoy any time of the day, whether it's breakfast, brunch, lunch, evening snack or dinner. So today's recipe is with a small twist. Instead of fresh coriander leaves, I'm adding moringa leaves. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Let's give it a try and see how it turns out. Here we have taken about half cup of grated cheese, one small tomato, remove the juice and dice it, and some crushed green chilies, some moringa leaves, about handful, little bit of chopped onion, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning, and then we have Amul butter and 2 slices of bread or as required. Let's mix the ingredients together. Here I have used moringa leaves instead of coriander leaves. Normally I use fresh coriander leaves. The mixture is ready for the slices. First we will apply some butter on them. I am using multigrain bread with lot of seeds, which is really very healthy. Spread the mixture, divide it into two and spread it on both the slices evenly. If you want to add little more cheese, you can do that. Even for variation, if you don't have pizza seasoning, you can add chaat masala or you can simply add roasted cumin powder combined with crushed black pepper or basil, oregano or oregano. You have so many options. Here the mixture is spread evenly now on both the slices. They are ready to be grilled. Put them in the baking tray and grill them for about 7 to 8 minutes at 200 degrees C or until done. Time may vary a bit depending on the oven. Nice and crispy bread toast is ready. You can cut it with a pizza cutter. Serve them immediately while they are crisp and hot. You can enjoy them any time of the day. For breakfast, lunch you can pair it with soup or as an evening snack also. Even kids love this bread toast with cheese. Make a soup of your choice and your meal is ready. Quick recipes like these are really handy for the days when you're short of time or you're not in a mood to cook elaborate meals, isn't it? Friends, do check out other moringa recipes also. I'm sharing the link in the description box. So try to include these healthy greens in any way possible whenever you get them. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.